Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a full face of makeup where everything that I'm mentioning is under $10. So every single product is under $10 for you guys. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. I upload new videos every single week on affordable beauty and fashion, so I hope you'll subscribe and let's go ahead and get started with it. Okay, first I'm going to use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is so great, especially for the summertime, to really hold your makeup in place. So I basically just pat this or rub it on the face. For foundation today, I'm gonna use an oldie but a goodie. This is the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. I love this stuff so much. I'm in the shade Light Medium. I honestly haven't worn it in a little bit because I've been loving some of the new L'Oreal foundations, but this, you guys, is my OG. I wear it so consistently for what I've worn it so consistently for the last, I don't know how many years, maybe 3-4 years. I love this stuff. So I like to apply it with my hands first, and then I like to use a sponge. Everything that I'm talking about will be in a blog post for you guys, so all the links and everything. So you just have to go down into the description box, click the link in there, and you will have all the links for all the products. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Activewear Concealer. I believe they have another Super Stay concealer as well, but this one says up to 30-hour wear. The reason I really liked this is because it's very lightweight. It almost feels a little cooling on the skin, and it doesn't give like a cakey coverage by any means. So I'm in the shade 22, and I'm just gonna put it underneath my eyes. Since it is such a thin formula, I don't worry about putting too much. Does that make sense? Like, it's not gonna get cakey on me very quickly. So again, I'm just blending it out with a sponge. Okay, we're gonna continue with the cream products. I have the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer and the e.l.f. Putty Blush. The bronzer is in the shade Tan Lines. I love this product. I'm just taking my sponge, dabbing it in there, and then we're going on the face. This is a great shade for light to medium skin tones for like a pretty subtle bronze. I also have this shade, Honey Dip, if I want, Honey Dip or Honey Drip? Honey Drip, if I want a little bit more of a like punch or pack a punch. If I have more self-tanner on, that's what I use. I just love how easy these blend. They look so good on the skin, and yeah, they're just awesome. So I'm squeezing the sponge and just going along the nose a little bit and under the lip to make it appear a little bit bigger. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the Putty Blush. This one is so good in Turks and Caicos. It's like the perfect peachy blush, and place it on the like circle part right here. So very close into the eye and the cheek, and then work backwards and then up towards the nose and onto the nose a little bit. So do you see how I start here where I want the most color? That's where you should always place your sponge, and move backwards and then up towards the nose. I just really like that kind of sun-kissed look with blush on my nose as well. So we're done with cream products. Now it's time for powder. This is my absolute favorite powder when I want like a nice glowy look. It's so beautiful. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. So, so good. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this on a brush and kind of go all over the T-zone of the face. This is such a great product because it has little light reflecting properties in it, so it doesn't make your face look flat when you put a powder on. So I'm gonna really concentrate some on the cheek. In the summertime, I have to put powder everywhere because I just get too oily. All right, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild palette that's literally only $5, and it's called like Nude Awakening, and use this to do a little bit of an eye look. I'm not gonna do very much. I'm gonna take this light brown here and just concentrate it on the outer corner and blend Oh, you can't see. I'm gonna take the same color and go on the lower part of the eye as well. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this dark brown here and I'm just going to kind of stamp it on the outer part of the eye here. These are very pigmented, so be careful. I'm just going to grab a little bit more of that brown and blend. And then for on the lid, I'm going to take this shade right here, just with my finger. It's the easiest way to do it. And apply directly to the lid. I totally forgot to do my brows, so let's do that real quick. This is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. Has a spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other side. So I just do very light strokes. This is in the shade Brunette. And then I love using a mascara primer. This is from Essence. This is the Volume Booster Lash Primer. So I'm just gonna put that on just like a normal mascara. And then I like to let that sit for a little bit just to get a little bit tacky, so when you put the mascara on, it doesn't just like wipe off. Okay, for lips today, I'm gonna try a new combination. Two of these I have used together all the time, but the other one, I don't know. So this is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Bear. It's one of my absolute favorites. And then lipstick, this is from Essence in the shade Freaky. Look how cute. Okay. And then we're gonna top it with this butter gloss from NYX in the shade Fortune Cookie. This is very nude, so we'll see how this looks. Oh, it's so pretty. Love this lip combination. I feel like it is so pretty. For mascara today, to finish it off, we're gonna use the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Mascara. I can't believe I didn't know about this until somewhat recently. That's what the brush looks like. This is such a good mascara. Like I said, I didn't know about this until a few months ago, and oh, I can't believe I didn't know about it. All right, you guys, that is it for the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, everything that I use is under $10, which is so crazy. It just goes to show how affordable makeup can be while also still looking amazing. I love all of these products and I use them consistently. So this just, again, goes to show you don't have to spend a bunch of money to have a good makeup look. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on affordable beauty and fashion. So I hope you'll subscribe and I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye guys.